In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your email address in your Fresha account smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're changing jobs, consolidating your email accounts, or simply updating to a more secure option, it's crucial to ensure that your Fresha account is linked to the right email address. Keeping your contact information current not only helps in managing your account seamlessly, but also ensures that you receive all notifications and updates directly. Let's get started by heading over to your Fresha dashboard. Once you're logged in and on the main screen, direct your attention to the top right corner. Here, you'll see either a photo of your initials or your personal photo if you've already uploaded one. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu with various options that relate specifically to your account settings. Navigate to the option labeled Personal Settings. Clicking on this takes you to a dedicated area where you can manage and update your personal information as well as your login security details. This section of the platform is crucial for maintaining your account's privacy and ensuring your details are accurately represented. Now that you're inside the Personal Settings area, focus on Personal Info. Selecting this option will allow you to review all your contact information. This is where the actual update takes place, so take a moment to ensure you're in the right section. From here, locate the Edit tab under the Contacts section. This tab is essential for making any necessary changes to your account regardless of what needs updating. Once you've clicked on the Edit tab, find the field labeled Email. Here, you can enter the new email address you want connected to your account. Carefully double-check that everything is correct. Typos or incorrect addresses can complicate your access. When you're satisfied that everything is accurate, proceed to click on the Save button. After hitting Save, Fresha may send a verification link to the new email address you've entered, or it might prompt you to log in again for security purposes. If a verification link is sent, simply click on it to confirm the email change. Log in again if prompted, to continue using your account with your updated credentials. And there you have it. A quick and effective way to ensure your login details and notifications are aligned with your preferred email address. Keeping these details current is a small but important step in managing your online presence. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial, and remember to subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.